A number of local companies and organizations are coming together to cultivate a food forest in our community.
News 8's Madeline O'Neill joins us now and brings us a preview of the project.
The Crosses YMCA donated 8,000 square feet of land alongside its building expansion on West Avenue for the forest, which creators say will not only bring a variety of healthy organic foods, but also provide a blueprint for healthy living to the community. What is now just dirt and weeds outside the YMCA will soon be a whole lot more.
Forest trees represented by apple trees, pear trees, cherry trees, etc.
Local companies and organizations are working together to create a self-sustaining food forest. And the project's goals range from bettering the environment to improving public health.
There are a lot of people in our community that are not eating as healthy as they could be. And there are people that we have food deserts, that people don't have access to food.
Organizers say the garden will help provide healthy, organic food to those in need through both donations and education.
So what we want to do here at the Food Forest is really get people in the dirt to learn about how to grow food.
And that teaching extends past the garden to classes teaching how to prepare meals.
It's really going to be a forest to table venture.
Beyond the forest walls, creators hope DIY projects will crop up around the neighborhood.
We've designed the plan in such a way that we created little islands throughout, or patches you might say, throughout the garden. You could come here and see that piece of it and take that piece home. Or you could simply emulate the whole system and put a food forest in at your own property.
And most importantly, bring the community together.
If people aren't eating well or have access to food, it affects their entire life and it affects our entire community. We need to help other people so that their lives are better.
Food will eventually be available at organized pickings and in various capacities at the Y. Organizers say it takes about 20 years for a food forest to fully mature, but the garden is planted in succession, so there will still be plenty of food and education opportunities in no time.
All right, thanks a lot, Madeline. And the food forest groundbreaking ceremony is taking place next Wednesday.